Welcome viewers. So today I'm going to show you how do you manage your staff loan and employee loan in Tally Prime. It is very easy to maintain in Tally Prime. We need not to use Excel for to manage your employee and staff loan. So here, how do we do that? With a simple way. First, we are going to enable the feature. Go to company, select the equivalent feature. So it is an additional feature for you. So you may see there is enable cost center for you. Please enable it and save it. Once you enable this feature, it is available for you. So cost center usually available for all expenses ledger. So we need now to activate this. So it will be activated automatically. Let us take an example. Suppose you are giving a staff loan to your employee. So you have an employee different you know, persons. First, you have to create them. How do we create the employee? First, we go to create. First, we create a category first. Let us go cost category. Create new. The category I created employee. It can be applicable for revenue and non-revenue item as well. So once you create the cost category, then you go to cost center and select the category what you want to create. So now I create employee A. Similarly, I create another employee B. Employee C. So once you create all the employees, then you go to voucher. Now I'm going to give a loan to employee A. So I'm going to choose single entry mode. Now I choose the bank ledger IOB. So I'm going to create a new ledger for staff loan account. So staff loan account under current asset. So now here you have an option called more detail. You click on that and you can set yes for this particular thing cost center. Yes, because it is not expenses, so it won't come. So I'm giving loan 1 lakh rupees to which employee? I'm giving loan employee A 30,000, employee C 70,000. So usually we are not bothered about who are all getting the loan from us. These details we are maintaining separately in MS Excel. So if you want to find the loan outstanding of an employee, you have to open Excel. But here also you have to enter it in. But in Tally Prime, you need not to have two multiple software for managing your loan. A single voucher can store all information. So where do we take this report? We can go to display more report and statements of accounts, cost center, and cost category summary. So now you can see this employee A expenses, employee B expenses alone. So for employee A, we given the staff loan. Employee C also we given that. Suppose employee B getting salary advance, which is different from staff loan. So I'm going to create same IOB. I'm going to create salary advance. So salary advance also the loans and advances. Again, you go to more detail, then go down. Yes, activate this. Now we can give 2000 rupees to employee B. So salary advance is a short-term advance you are paying to your employee. It can be adjusted immediately in the employee salary. Staff loan is a long-term process. The employee agree to repay monthly basis. So now we can go to cost center report, display more report, statements of account, cost center. You can see the cost center breakup. We go B. For B, what we have available, salary advance. Suppose you want to take ledger-wise breakup, overall getting staff loan and overall getting salary advance. So all the detail you can take separately, ledger-wise and group-wise also you can take. So it is very easy to manage. Suppose if the employee adjusting the salary, we go to accounting voucher and go to journal.